Hey YouTube, we got another cool screen recording here to show you guys today. It's actually on how to use Moviepass. Moviepass, when it first came out, was an absolutely amazing app. We kind of got on it a little too late a couple months ago, where we could go see any movie anytime. You just went and checked in, you came back, went to the movie, and boom, you can go see any movie any time of day. What they've done now is they've got a goofy little program that they only allow so many movies out per day because they were going through so much cash. And this was a way so they could still stay afloat until they can get their user base up. I think they got about 3 million subscribers right now. We pay for the 9.95 plan that gives us three movies every month. You go to one movie, you've gotten made your money back. They used to have an unlimited one, and I think they still actually offer that one. I think that is 14.95 a month, so you can go see any of these movies. But like I said, they have a goofy little schedule now, where what they like to do is actually have kind of monitor how you're doing this. So I just opened up the Movie Pass app, and what we have available right now is we're actually going to go see the Meg, just for a fun little Wednesday night, and that's what we love about the app. My wife and I were sitting here. We got back in town. We said, "Hey, what do you want to do tonight?" We had some free time, and it was a Wednesday, and we said, "Hey, let's see what they're showing." So we finally got a movie time that matched up, and they're offering this one out. A lot of times they do like to actually show. Kind of the more independent films. They don't do a whole lot of the big blockbusters, anything like that. Right now, Fallout, Mission Impossible movie, that one's been a little tough to go see. We still haven't had gotten the time matched up, but so we're gonna go to do one tonight. This one is the Meg, of course. So I've done open the app. We're already signed in. Like I said, we can go see three movies a month for 9.95. You can pick your theaters down at the bottom, the movie show times. You can see everything that's playing right now. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to press the Meg. We are going to actually go to the mall. We enjoy this one. They got some pretty awesome seats and everything else. We're going to go to 740. I'm actually in the parking lot of the movie theater. You're supposed to be within about 100 yards, if I recall. So you have to go out. They've never sold out or anything like that we've noticed. Of course, we don't have a big marketplace for that. But yeah, go to the theater, and as soon as we hit check in, and they've actually sent us our little credit card there that we have, and we have 30 minutes to go swipe our card at either one of the kiosks. Go give it to one of the people that work there. They're going to swipe the card, and it's going to print you out the free ticket. No, they have tried to do a little bit of surcharges and stuff like that along the way to help them kind of bolster up some of their income. So if we wanted to go do a big movie right now, they might get you for a couple bucks if it's a premium showing is what they're kind of doing. But you saw how easy that was. So yeah, I've got 30 minutes. We're gonna jump in here. It's 7:24. We went ahead and picked 7:40, so we're gonna go in there, swipe the card at the kiosk, and pick our seats. And as soon as we do that, it'll kick out the ticket, no problem. This is actually only the third or fourth movie we've actually gone to, and it's worked. Never given us one hiccup whatsoever. So a great app. Hopefully they get their stuff figured out where we can really start going to a lot of this stuff and enjoying it more. But as always, thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys, if you got any questions about this, I'll help try to answer it. You gotta, again, like us, subscribe to us, do everything, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. We'll see you, see you guys.